Hi Anjali, and hello all. As the ISCP team has reached out to the Student Wellness Center and with their concerns with dealing with this COVID-19 situation, and during this crisis, I would also welcome my colleague Anjali, who has willingly joined me in working through some suggestions that we would hope that would be of great help to you. So I would also like to thank from SWC our very own Tagare ma'am and Hima ma'am, who have given us this opportunity to be with you guys. And so here we begin.
Yes. So thank you, Lavina. We have come up with a few questions which could be related to concerns that many of us are going through. And Lavina and me are just going to discuss the answers with you all. So let's start. So Lavina, if the people are not sure about going back to the routine and there is some amount of uneasiness about leaving home and a lockdown zone, so can you please would like to share something regarding the same?
Yes, sure, Anjali. I can understand that going outside and getting back to routine has become quite an adventure. Yeah. Preparing oneself with all the guards, like wearing a mask, wearing your gloves, taking your hand sanitizer, it's just become an unavoidable part of our daily living. Yes.
Yes.
And, one may experience mental exhaustion at the beginning of the day itself,
So true.
and the uneasiness of leaving the house is understandable. But however, the focus here would be is that what is within our control and what is beyond our control. You know, reminding yourself often that I'm doing the best that I can. And of course, I would prefer for things to be different, but again, that's out of my control.
Mhm.
Yes. So in order to start and to begin again,
Mhm.
um, we need to understand what we need to say a no to and what we need to say a yes to. Now, for example, saying a no to worrying about how I will do it or how I will begin and how I will, go outside. Yeah. Instead, keep in mind to declutter your mind from all these fears that you're facing.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You can also work around on filtering out whether the thought is helpful or it's unhelpful.
Mhm.
Yes. And this will help you identify, basically what you need to go about with. And I think then you're good to begin off. So, Anjali,
Mhm.
another thing that comes up in my mind is that at times, I experience some fears and some discomfort, which has
Mhm.
increased for staying at home for a long duration. How do
Yes.
you
Yes.
think we can go about with this?
Yes, Lavina. So the situation we all are traversing through is a very confusing, as all of us are bored and experiencing
Yeah.
discomfort after staying at home and working from home for a really long time.
Yes.
However, we cannot deny that there is still risk in going out. And what
Yeah.
makes it difficult for us to deal and cope with this discomfort is maybe at times we perceive that this discomfort is intolerable for us. So, in that
Hmm.
sense, it would be helpful for us to understand that what this fear or discomfort is about. Though the
Yes.
situational and external factors are contributing to this emotional distress, the roots can be in our own thoughts and our own self talk.
True.
Identifying the triggers, which can be external as well as internal.
Yes.
Apart from
Oh,
that,
yes.
in such situations, usually uh, engaging into certain relaxation techniques, engaging in
Yes.
hobbies, practicing positive affirmations can be helpful. And also, you can
Yes.
consider reaching out to mental health professionals in such situations. That is also one of the options. Definitely, you can think of. Here, I would like to ask you one question, which is about, most of us sometimes feel guilty regarding what if we start going out and if any of my family member who come in contact with me contract the virus. How you will answer this?
Okay. Yeah. Uh, well, this is basically, most of the time, it's feeling guilty. Yes, and guilt is related to an individual sense of right and wrong.
Right.
And, we experience guilt after making a mistake or not living up to our own moral standards.
Mm-hmm.
And it is quite possible to experience fear and anxiety about, the health of our family members. Yes, and so when you think of going out and starting your routine, you may completely, deny the chances that your family members might get affected, and by this decision of yours. However, uh, being more responsible rather than feeling guilty, and in terms of your actions, would actually be very helpful, is
Mm-hmm.
what I think. And we also need to understand that there are risks associated with going out and starting with your routine. But knowing the most that we can do about it is would include that, going out when it is required, and taking all the possible precautions, which we all are, and also having a healthy communication with your family members
Mm-hmm.
is very, very vital, and encouraging them to take necessary precautions can be very helpful. Like, for example, when you get back from home, you get back home from your daily routine, and your family members would be wanting to sit down with you and talk, but you can actually remind them that, since I've just been from outside, I think I would, clean myself up, and then we can sit and talk. Yeah. So I think encouraging this communication, quite a time with family members would be a lot of help. And also knowing, that worrying drains out your own mental peace.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this realization helps in accepting that anxiety just can't fully disappear.
Right.
But this will in turn help you understand that worrying what may happen, and what might happen would only add to most of your own stress. So now the question is, why worry? Anjali, another thing is that keeps coming up in my mind is a little bit of the worry about the finances.
Right.
They make me feel anxious, and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I feel that how can I take care of my future needs and the needs of my family? And I'm sure our students too are wanting to know how to go about it. So if you can help us understand.
Yes, yes, Lavina. So this is a very practical concern about the finances, financial concerns. So it is very famously said that the only thing certain is uncertainty. So as this pandemic situation has impacted many of us lives in a very adverse way, and also in the different areas, including the finances. Managing family finances and personal life is indeed challenging, and especially more during such circumstances. So, certain quick things which I would like to, bring to notice here are: you can consider talking to your family members about significant financial changes that family might be going through at the moment. Try and
Yes.
seek their
Yeah.
support.
Yeah.
Apart
Yeah.
from that, reassessing your financial plans, financial goals, prioritizing your spending and focusing on necessary spending can be also helpful for a bit of a savings. Checking
Yes.
all your saving, reviewing expenses, which help you to get a clear picture of how the things can work for yourself in the midst of this
Yeah.
crisis, which you know all of us are going through. So this can be the
Yes.
quick things about the finances which we can consider, as a tips.